Robert Fritz, the pioneer in the field of structural dynamics, is coming to Boston October 16th through 18th. He will be leading a special new workshop, The Path of Least Resistance. This workshop is a benefit for the African Food and Peace Foundation. Robert began his career as a composer, achieving both a bachelor's and master's degree in composition from the prestigious Boston Conservatory. From his career in the arts, Robert discovered many vital principles that directly apply to how one can create the life he or she wants. And he also discovered a major principle that impacts most people's lives, that the underlying structure of anything determines the patterns in their lives. There are two types of patterns. In one, you set out for something, you do what it takes to achieve that result, and the result becomes the platform for future success. This is called an advancing pattern, and it is the essence of the creative process. But Robert discovered another pattern people often have. In this pattern, you set out for something you want to create, you take actions to accomplish it, you do achieve the result and have it for a while, but then there is a reversal, and at the end of the story, you no longer have the result you wanted. This is called an oscillating pattern. What is the difference between an advancing pattern and an oscillating pattern? Is it your psychology, your DNA, your cultural background, your upbringing, your lack of willpower, your luck, your attitudes? While people often think there are causes beyond their control, or that they suffer from personal flaws, most often it is the underlying structures they are in, structures that are invisible to them. A change of your underlying structure will change your oscillating patterns to an advancing pattern. This is the key to structural dynamics. Robert discovered what he termed macrostructural patterns in 1980, which was his first major discovery in the field of structural dynamics. In 1984, he wrote his first version of his internationally best-selling classic, The Path of Least Resistance, which has had a major influence on countless others. Here are examples of Robert working with clients on their oscillating patterns.
Send me a story which I did your pattern on, and let's check it against some other stories and see if I have it right. So where you set out for something, and you had it for a while, and then at the end, it's not a good ending.
That's right.
Okay, so you have a story? Specific
A different story?
Yeah, a different story.
Yes. So
Okay, no, don't tell it to me. I'm going to ask you.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Okay, so you had a desire?
Yes.
And an opportunity presented itself?
Yes.
And you got involved?
Yes.
And you found that there was more available than you originally thought?
Yes.
But then something changes.
Yes.
And there was some, excuse me, after that, there were some limitations.
Yes, and triggers.
But you did your best.
Absolutely.
But then promises were made.
Yes.
And not kept.
Yes.
And then you were out.
Yes.
Okay, so choose a different story, completely different story. You ready?
Okay.
You had a desire?
Yes.
And an opportunity presented itself?
Yes.
You got involved?
Yes.
And you found that there's more available than you originally thought?
Yeah, could say so, yeah.
Yeah, and then something changed?
Yes.
And from that, there were limitations, or after that, there were limitations?
Yes.
And you did your best?
I did.
And then promises were made?
Yes.
And not kept?
Absolutely.
And you were out?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I think we have your pattern. Let me show it to you. So you have a desire, and then an opportunity presents itself.
Mhm.
And then you get involved, And then you find that there's more available than you originally thought. So it's looking pretty good. But then something changes. And that's where in the oscillation, that's where it starts to go in the other direction. And then there's limitations, and you do your best to try to get it to all work and whatever. And then promises made also means that you set up some expectations at this point, which they're not kept. The expectations are denied, and then you're out. And that's the pattern.
That's exactly what it is.
I want you to think of a story, a similar story in your life where you set out for something and you did whatever. And then at the end of the day, you no longer had the thing that you'd set out for. It has to be really specific, something really quite specific.
Yeah.
Do you have one?
Something I set up for that I wanted that I didn't get.
Well, you may have had it for a period of time.
Okay.
But at the end of the story, you no longer had it. Could be a relationship, could be a project, could be a job, could be any area.
Yeah, definitely had that in relationships.
Okay,
Yes.
let's pick one. Don't just do general, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you got one?
Yeah.
So you had a desire? Did you do some research?
Yeah.
Did you then form an idea?
What does that mean?
It means you created an idea of what you wanted to have.
Oh, I see. Yes, totally. Yeah, I did.
Then you began. Did you get help and support?
I don't think I did that time.
Okay. Did you
Not
create
really.
a structure?
Yeah. I mean,
Did you
yeah,
test it?
mentally.
Okay. Did you
Yes,
test
I totally tested it.
it? Has there been a delay?
Yes.
And then did you waste some time?
Yes, I did.
And then did you then get going?
Yeah.
And then did you play catch up?
Yeah.
And it didn't work?
No.
Try one more time.
Yeah.
And that didn't work.
No.
Either you or he quit.
Oh, yeah. He had already quit. He quit after the delay. Yeah.
Okay, so can we test it against another story in your life?
Yeah.
Okay, you got one specifically, a specific one, that is to say.
Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Had a desire, did research, you formed an idea, you began, then you got help and support, created a structure,
Yeah.
and you tested it.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess we could say that. It was, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and then there was a delay, and you wasted some time,
Yeah, I did.
and you got going,
Yeah.
and you played catch up.
Yeah.
It didn't work.
No.
You tried one more time,
Yeah.
and it didn't work.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll screenshot that. Yep.
Okay. What we're looking at is your pattern. What in an oscillating pattern, this is generally what you do. I did your pattern, and I want to check it against other stories.
Okay.
Okay.
Damn.
So
Okay,
can you
here
think of a
goes.
story where a similar oscillating story, you set out for something, you had it for a while. At the end, you no longer had it, and it was typical and not a good ending.
Yes.
Okay,
Typical.
don't tell me about it. I'm just going to
Okay.
ask you.
Oh, sure. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
You had a desire?
Yes, I did.
Okay, the next step is you try to accommodate this for the situation.
Yes.
It worked out and you got the result.
Yes.
But then, now this could work either you or the other parties or the other side of this. You didn't live up to expectations, or they didn't live up to expectations.
Oh, I didn't.
Okay. And you tried to fix it,
Oh, yes. Of
and it
course.
didn't work.
No. No.
And then you quit.
Yeah, I ran away.
Yeah. Got another one?
Yeah.
Another story?
Yes, I've got many like those. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll pick one
Yeah.
specific story so we can,
Yeah.
test the steps.
Yes.
Had a
Yeah.
desire.
Yep.
You tried to accommodate for the situation.
Yes.
It worked. It worked, and you got the result.
Yes.
And then either you or others didn't live up to the expectations.
Yeah. They didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't. You say
They didn't.
they didn't. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
The thing
Yeah.
about patterns is either you can do the step or other people can do the step.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
ends up
Yeah.
so being the step. It's the
Yes.
strangest thing. And you tried
Isn't
to fix
it? Oh, definitely. Always.
and it
Always.
didn't work,
No.
and you quit.
Yeah, I did.
Let me show you the pattern. We can actually go through one more story. Do you have another story we can go through?
Oh, I've got several.
Or just pick one.
Okay. Yep. Got it.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. I can see that in many, many places.
All right. So you had a desire
Mhm.
in the story. You tried to accommodate for the situation.
Yeah.
And it worked, and you got the result.
Yes.
And then either you or they didn't live up to expectations.
Yeah. It was them, actually,
Yeah.
apparently. It was probably me too, but it's probably both of us.
Yeah. But here's the interesting part right here is, as I'm looking at this thing from a structural point of view, is it actually is the relationship between this and this.
Yeah. The words that really stood out to me was try to accommodate.
Yeah.
It really just jumped out at me. The efforting in that.
Yeah. And you probably didn't know you were quite doing it, did you?
No, I think I'm
Because
this is what I do.
described it, you described it differently in the story that you sent me. But that, in a way, the step in that story was that step that you really tried to accommodate. You were
100%.
trying to figure out what you needed to do that they would then say yes to you or be open to you.
Yes. Yep. 100%.
Yeah. And then, of course, at that point, trying to fix it and blah, blah, blah is where it goes.
What causes your life patterns? The underlying structures in your life. From moving from an oscillating to an advancing pattern, there needs to be a change of underlying structure. This is one of the major themes of Robert's workshop, The Path of Least Resistance. You will have a chance to explore 4 essential issues that are the most life-changing, and they are identity, freedom and control, purpose and existence, and parental preoccupation. Each of these issues will be explored, and from that, a change of underlying structure can lead you to a powerful life-building process where your highest aspirations and deepest values become the organizing principles in your life. But there is more. Another aspect of the path of least resistance is the power of the creative process. The creative process is the most successful process for development in history. It has created the arts, science, commerce, and is the most civilizing force there is. The path of least resistance will give you the foundation for the next chapter in your life. Robert will bring the latest developments in structural dynamics in the Path of Least Resistance workshop. ones that can enable you to establish the best underlying structure to create the life you want to live. Hope for Africa. Hope for our future. Robert's Path of Least Resistance workshop is a benefit event for some of the most exciting new approaches to world development through the work of the African Food and Peace Foundation. For over 40 years, the African Food and Peace Foundation has partnered with communities in Uganda to help girls and women become leaders, strengthen families, and build self-sustaining futures. To meet this need, the African Food and Peace Foundation partners with educational institutions and community organizations, creating one's way of life with a creative orientation, where the individual is consistently in touch with their aspirations, values, vision, current reality, and structural tensions. So join Robert for a transformational workshop and support one of the best developmental organizations ever. The Path of Least Resistance, October 16th through 18th in Boston. To enroll or to find out more information, email